You ever have something on your motorcycle that you just bugs you to death? It's not a big deal. It doesn't really need change. It just bugs you. Well, that's what I'm going to be dealing with today. This vent right here, I'm not real crazy about. I look at it all the time when I'm riding, and it drives me crazy because it's yellowed. So I ended up buying another one. As you can see, it looks a lot better. Quality looks to be the same. I'm not real sure. I'll know when I put it in. I think this is going to be an easy job, but man, I think this is going to make us look so much better. And it was only 20 bucks. So let's go ahead and get this job done. It's only 2 screws that hold it in. It's going to be a pretty easy change out, I think. Well, that one there is kind of hard to get out. Hopefully the nut's not turning. Going to see if I can get a flat blade screwdriver back here to kind of hold this nut from turning. I don't think it'll take too much. Hopefully. There we go. Looks like I got the same thing on the other side. I had to get me a magnet to get those nuts back and washer. All right. We'll just pull this apart. Out with the old, in with the new. All right, I'll take a magnet and get my nut and washer back. Okay. And I'll take this one off. Looks like it just has a nut, doesn't have a washer on it. Okay, now all the hardware is out of it. Now it should come apart. Oh, it snaps together right down here. Pull that out like that. And now it'll go back in the hole like so. Okay, now that that's in, we'll go ahead and put this over the lip and then snap that little pin through the hole. So slide it over the top, and then the bottom snaps right on. Now it's held in there, and I just got to put the 2 bolts in it. Now this is the tricky part. Got to do this without dropping anything. Could do this with a magnet, which I'm going to do it with. I'm going to put it in like that with a magnet. That worked good. So then we'll do the same for the other side. I'll just finish tightening it up. Okay, that's all there is to it. Boy, that functions a lot better than my other one. The other one was kind of wore out. I like it. That works better. Nice and tight in there. Fits good. Boy, what a difference in the way it looks, huh? That was all yellowed and everything. It was really bothering me looking through that all the time. So now it looks nice and clean and good in there. My windshield isn't the worst. I know you can buy the whole windshield and this vent for like $100, something like that on Amazon. But I heard that the windshield's really flimsy. So I wanted to keep my original windshield and I went with this replacement vent. I'm glad I did. For I think it was $21. I think it's a good option. It looks really nice and it seems to function well. I think that was a good alternative. Anyway, I just wanted to show you guys that, mainly because of the cost. If you're struggling with one that's broke, doesn't work, or you want to add one, you want to cut a hole in it and put one in, you can do that too. I've done that myself on a GL1800 Goldwing, so it's not that hard of a job to do. So anyway, I just want to bring you along mainly because of the cost of this. I wanted to let you know about it in case you didn't know. So I'll leave a link in the description to Amazon for this vent, and maybe you can get you one. All right, thanks for watching. See you on the next one.